Assalamu alaikum. Today I am gonna show you how to make cold processed soap from scratch. So this is material we are going to use to make our soap. Today I will use some mango butter. Now we have to measure our lye. For the amount of the oil that I'm gonna use today, I will need 46 grams of lye. While working with the lye, you must wear your gloves and your mask. Now we are gonna measure our distilled water. We need 110 grams of water. Now I'm gonna add some sugar. It is helping our soap to have stronger foam. Now we need to mix sugar with water. And now we are gonna add our lye to water. Please be very careful while adding it, and always be sure that you are adding lye to water, never opposite water to lye, because it can cause burning of your skin. While mixing, be very careful because temperature of water is rising. We are gonna mix it until it dissolves. Melting our mango butter. And now I'm gonna add some other oils. Today I will use coconut oil for the super foaming effect. I'm gonna use 100 grams of coconut oil so our soap can still be soft. Now we are gonna add some jojoba oil for nourishing our skin. We need 100 grams of golden oil. Now we will use this deep bucket for mixing our oil with lye solution. But first we need to check the degree. It should be similar to each other. So our oil is 47 degrees and our lye is 50 degrees. So now we can mix it. Now we are gonna mix it with spoon. Then we will continue with our hand mixer. Now saponification process is starting. Now we are gonna add some coffee grounds, some silk protein, and any essential oil you like. Some silk protein for luxury touch. Some coffee grounds for scrap. And we are gonna mix it for the last time. Now we are gonna pour into the mold and let the soap harden around 24-30 hours. So yes, this is our coffee scrap soap.